This is the West System 101 mini pack. Let's take a look inside. We have 2 small mixing pots and 1 pair of gloves, an instruction leaflet, 2 small syringes, a glue brush, 2 mixing sticks, a 407 low density filler, a 303 microfibers adhesive filler, 250 grams of 105 epoxy resin, and 50 grams of 205 fast hardener. This pack is handy for small, quick repairs to wood, fiberglass, reinforcing materials, composite materials, and a variety of metals. It can be used for marine repairs and small jobs such as creating mini fillets or any household DIY jobs. Unfortunately, the 301 5A mini pumps do not fit this pack size, so measuring by weight is recommended.